Assuming you want to fit an object for an object, fit it to the part of an object. This is how we do it in CorelDRAW. So something like this. Come to having drawn the object. I want this object to be in the part of the cycle there, or to be on this part. First thing we do, click on the object. This object first, then hold shift on your keyboard. You click on the object. I want the first object to be on the part. Then using the shift keyboard. Then come to object menu. You click on fit object to part. And to come here. So which position did I want it to be? So keep original. No. Group all objects. It's recommended. Duplicate. How many copies do you want? If you specify for best result, group complex objects before fitting. Yeah, something like. So if the objects are complex, you have to group it before you join it together. So let's clear this duplicate. Let's say we want 20. Yeah, duplicate 20. So let's leave it the way it is. Yeah, original location is follow path. Click on it. Then you move this down. Apply. If you want the direction to be clockwise, it's okay. Okay, click on it. Apply. Highlight this 20. Apply. Can you see it? This height is done in CorelDRAW. You can see they are all already grouped. Which I've deleted. I can delete this if I wish. But these objects are grouped because I select grouped here. So I want to change the color if you wish. I want to play around with it. So this height works in CorelDRAW. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. And watch this video on your screen. You're welcome.